So I've recently made a withdrawal on Rollercoin, and today on That Techo Guy I wanted to show you my payment proof and the earnings that I actually did make. Stay tuned. Okay, so I do get a lot of messages regarding how much do you earn on Rollercoin and things like that. So today I'm just going to jump in and show you my most recent withdrawal from Rollercoin, and that was in the form of Solana. So on my screen here, you can see my Rollercoin homepage. I'm going to jump into the wallet section right here, and I'm going to go down to the Solana section, which is the crypto coin that I did withdraw. I'm going to go to the withdraw section, and here you will be able to see the latest transaction of withdrawal that I did. So on the 16th of October, I withdrew 1.3 Solana from Rollercoin. Now these were all mined in inverted commas through the Rollercoin game. So I'm going to be doing a bit of calculations here. So first of all, the 1.3 Solana, when I did actually do the withdrawal, I did it on the 16th October and I received them the next day on the 17th of October. And I still have the Solana obviously in the wallet where I did withdraw them to. So it does take approximately 24 hours for you to be able to receive the actual tokens and coins that you do withdraw from the game. Now 1.3 Solana, I'm going to check today's price and convert that. So Solana at the moment is at $23.89. On the 16th, when I actually did the withdrawal, it was around $22.60, something in that region. So from $22 to around 23, almost $23 on that particular day. So after that, the price did actually go up even higher on the 17th when I actually received the coins. It was $24, and then it started to kind of even out, and now it's at around $23.88 at the time of recording this video. So at the moment, I'm still holding on to the Solana anyway, so the price will continue to vary and change. These were the earnings of approximately 1 month on Rollercoin, okay? Now what I'm going to show you is on my home screen here, you can see that I am currently making every 10 minutes approximately 0.0001834 Solana, okay? So if I were actually to calculate that into the unofficial, it's important that you know that it's an unofficial Rollercoin calculator, which I have discussed in the past as well, and I will leave a link down to the calculator below this video. I will calculate exactly how much I am going to get with the current network power of the Rollercoin game at the moment on the Solana coin. So at the moment, if we go to network power here, we can see that Solana is at 78.75 exahash per second, and that is always going to change. Sometimes it was even over 100, sometimes it was less than 78, and that will make a difference to your income as well, okay? So the more people that are on the network mining that token, the more likely that you're going to make less because you've got a smaller portion of the pie, so to speak. So if we just calculate this, and my current power is at 62.79 petahash per second, we'll get a good estimate of what I should be able to make. So 62.796, okay, so that's my power. So 62.976 in petahash. The network power for the coin, as we saw here, is at the moment at 78.749. So 78.749, which is exahash, and the coin is Sol, and that block reward at the moment is 0.23. This calculator does do a good job of actually keeping that up to date. So if we just confirm that the block is 0.23, that's correct. And the average block time is 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes. Okay, so every 10 minutes, a block is mined. So every 10 minutes, I will get what is written down here. So in the entire day, I can calculate this now. And here it's saying that I'm expected to make what is there. So 0.000183393, here it's saying 0.000183341, which is a bit more than what the calculator is saying here. Okay, and daily I'm expected to be making 0.0265 Solana, which is currently equivalent to 63 cents. So technically speaking, I am making 63 cents on average. So let's just say 60 cents on average every single day by mining Solana. Weekly, I'm making $4.43, and monthly, I am making roughly almost $19 at the time of recording this video, and with all these factors considered, the network power and everything else. So to make that 1.3, it did take me around 1 month, so I made around $23, and those are my earnings. Now here on the calculator, like I've also shown on a previous video, you can go to the section coins to mine, and you can enter all of them. I'm not going to do it now because I've already done it in the previous video, and I'll leave a link to that video up in the link above my head at the moment and in the description below so that you can find the video easier. But basically what that will do is when you put in all the details here, it will give you a list from top to bottom of which coin is best to mine. This is very similar to What to Mine, okay? That the website that you can calculate for your GPUs and CPUs and ASIC miners to see which is the most profitable. The most profitable will probably always be the RLT token itself, okay? So if you go to the RLT token and mine that, that will give you the most income. But when I say income, that's going to be the native token of Rollercoin. So you cannot actually withdraw that coin and convert it to any other cryptocurrency. So you'll just be able to spend that RLT token within the game in order to gain more power, in order to be able to mine the other cryptos that you can see on Rollercoin even faster, okay? So it's good in the sense that you can upgrade your mining room and upgrade your miners in your room so that you can then acquire those real crypto and real money faster as well. But obviously you cannot convert the RLT to any form of fiat currency. But the equivalence is, for example, if here I have 374 RLT at the moment, that would be equivalent to $374, as Rollercoin like to put it. But again, I don't like to compare it that way because I'll never get those fiat currency dollars anyway. And the RLT token itself is not on any exchanges, so you cannot even put that on any exchange and trade it anyway either, at least until this day. That has not happened yet, okay? So you're always going to be limited to the other cryptocurrencies, and I have selected Solana because that was the most profitable when I checked the calculator, the most profitable and the one that I can withdraw from on the list. I had already explained this as well. Make sure that you check in each of the coins that you can actually withdraw and that you have the withdraw section. Like Dogecoin, you can do that. Bitcoin, you can do that. Ethereum, you can do that. Binance, you can do that. BSUD, you can't. Polygon, for example, you can. So be sure to check, okay? Solana, obviously, you can, as I've shown you. And Tether, you can't. So some you can, some you can't. So be sure that the tokens and crypto that you are actually acquiring have the withdraw option. Otherwise, the only thing that you'll be able to do with it is actually convert it back to the RLT token and upgrade your room and miners in the game. And at the moment, there are a couple of good deals on at 20% off. So if you convert BTC to the Rollercoin token, you will get effectively 20% more RLT for you to be able to use on those miners and on your room. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.